So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can read the Snapchat text without letting the person know that you have read their text or not. Now in order to do it, simply open the Snapchat right there and go to the chat section and find the chat that you want to open without letting them know. For example, let's say if I select any random chat right there. Now just simply press slide that particular chat towards the right, and you'll notice you are peeking into the chat section, but don't release your finger. If you notice that if you release your finger, the chat will open, but if you simply press and hold and simply press and hold and swipe it to the left, you'll notice that the chat is not opening, but you have peeked into the chat, and by this method you can easily peek into the chat without letting them know. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.